Hey guys, G's Vintage Fan Shed here today with another ceiling fan video. Again, this is in our new house. Soon to be new house. We own the house, but you know. Anyway, this is the first fan replacement that we have done. I've taken out a light fixture that was in here. Like one of those like old 80s era single wide dump trailer style light fixtures, and we have put in a 2007 2008ish era, actually no, I'm sorry, 2006 to 2007 Harbor Breeze Cheshire 52 inch. The reason for it being put in is because my parents liked the antique white looking fade that these all have to go with the theme of the room, because of the walls and just about every piece of furniture in here being an antique. Anyway, here's the light. It is also on a double switch, so I just demonstrate the light like that as well. And here is low. So, yeah, I'll go off of the switch for the light. So, this one here does really good. It used to wobble when I first put it in, but that's because I lost the little clip that goes in the bracket on these. But I put it in and now it just creaks a little bit on high. Just the light off. I think, yeah, there is a light in here. Good. Should do us wonders right about now. It isn't the greatest lamp in the whole wide world, but it'll work. Yeah, you can't even really see that, but anyway, now we'll go up to high. Or medium, I mean. This one we'll do the light off. This one here actually does really good. All I've had to do to this one is replace the capacitor in it, and it done wonders. So, this is one of the later ones with the Harbor Breeze tag. Here's high. So, timestamp where we at on the video. 3 minutes and 4. Okay. There's high. I'll do the light here. And I'm gonna set this back to low, and then I'll cut it off by the switch. So. Yeah. This will be a full spin down because I do not feel like standing up on the bed to stop this thing. So, yeah. Actually, you know what? The hell with it. For the sake of the video. There. And that is it. Let me grab a picture of this thing, and that's it. Bye.